Is your Jotform file upload not working? Maybe files won't attach, the upload bar is stuck, or you get an error when submitting documents. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Jotform file upload errors in 2026. So let's get started. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak connection can interrupt file uploads and cause them to fail. Jotform has file size limits depending on the form settings. If your file is too large, the upload will fail. Make sure you're uploading supported file types like PDF, JPG, PNG, or docx. Unsupported formats may not upload properly. Next, refresh the page and try uploading the file again. Temporary glitches can sometimes interrupt uploads. If your file name contains special characters or is too long, it may cause upload errors. Rename it using simple letters and numbers. Old browser data can interfere with uploads. Clear your cache and cookies, restart your browser, and try again. Extensions like ad blockers or privacy tools can block upload scripts. Temporarily disable them and test again. If uploads still fail, switch to another browser or device. Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or mobile browsers may work better. Some forms have upload limits set by the form creator. If storage is full or limits are reached, uploads will stop working. Sometimes the issue is not on your side. If Jotform servers are down or under maintenance, file uploads may fail temporarily. I mean, nothing on your device can fix a server outage. And that's how to fix Jotform file upload error in 2026. Most issues come from file size limits, unsupported formats, browser problems, or temporary server issues. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.